Monday night, and I'm in Philadelphia, and we all know what that means. Monday Night Raw. Look at that. I have really good seats for the first time in my life. It's not who you, what you know, it's who you know. Look. There's the ring, there's the ramp, right? There's the camera, there's the announcing table. Wow, this is awesome. Hey, you know what we'll do? Let's go do this real quick. Let's go look at souvenirs and see what kind of souvenirs they have. Look, there's the family. Say hi, family. Hey,
what's going on, John? Man.
That's where we're sitting. But they're good seats, right? Here, follow me. There's the world champ. There's 2 world champs right there. I love wrestling. Like, I haven't been to wrestling in a few years, and I got really good seats. And thank you to the person who got me the tickets. And I don't know if that's a secret or not, so I don't want to say anything, get in trouble. That? All right, let's see what they got. Wow. You can buy a replica belt for $425. They have the pop figures of 15. I got one here last night for 10. But it's been a few years.
You know what's up, sir?
I always buy a shirt when I go to wrestling. I don't know who I would get. I don't think I like anybody's shirt worthy. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Decisions. I hate the Shield, so I'm not gonna get a Shield shirt. I don't know. This is tough. But, all right, I'm going to go back to my seats, my wonderful, wonderful seats. Be on my best behavior. Right? I'm going to have little kids and stuff with me. I'm going to have a good time. If anything crazy happens, I'll make another video. All right. And I'm 1 subscriber away from 200. So if you watch us, hit subscribe, and then I'll do the big 200 surprise party. All right. I'll talk to you later. Toodles.